Welcome back. A while back, I was accepted into Agilite's gear testing program to test new gear. And I was assigned to Test Team 12. I was just sent their Polaroid holder to try out. In fact, they sent me two. This is designed to hold a Polaroid ID photo that are routinely taken out in the field, usually to match up with a person's current appearance. Many people have the impression that Polaroid is dead, and they'd be wrong. You can, of course, use any photo that will fit the holder. Rather than worn on the arm, this model is meant to attach to a vest or plate carrier, or anything with MOLLE, and has a cover to protect the photo from the sun, etc. It will be available in multicam, green, and black. At this time, I do not have a retail price for the holder. Agilite is a premium Israeli manufacturer of battle-proven tactical gear that was born from the need to defend their country. As Israelis, they always have had to innovate to survive in order to protect their families and their homeland. Their gear has always had to stay one step ahead of their enemies. Their tactical equipment is trusted and used by military and law enforcement special operations units from around the world, and others willing to put themselves in harm's way in the fight against tyranny and evil, wherever it may reside. Hate them, love them, the Israelis have some top-notch gear. I'm not sure when it's okay to send this out to someone. I'll check on it. In the meantime, comment, smile. Like this video and be a subscriber to win. On this one, international is fine, but the winner would need to pay the actual shipping and be allowed by law to own the gear. Thanks for watching, and until next time, stay frosty and take care.